Welcome back to this week's video. Today I'm opening up a rainbow cloud slime. I'm gonna make a video tomorrow. I'm just gonna show you what's in here. Okay. I got some slime, I got a spoon, I got glue, I got slime, I got a spoon. I think that's activator. We got purple snow, we got pink snow, yellow snow, blue snow, more glue. I have no idea what this is. Instructions. So yeah, come back to the video tomorrow. Go to the video tomorrow. For tomorrow, we're making the slime one. I'm just gonna leave it. So I'm just gonna close this. Leave that over there. So, bye. No, wait. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to get notified every time I post a new video. I know this is a pretty short video, but like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.